anymore because like that's not actually a very simplified way to say this. So let's turn around and we'll change this. We want to go x is less than 20 at the end of the day. This is actually not the final answer. It's the x is less than 20 because it kind of goes over. It's an or, so it's everything about both of them. That 20 crosses over that -2, so we actually don't have to write x is less than -2 because it's redundant. Don't be redundant. Again, x is less than 20 goes over that -2, so we don't use -2 because it's redundant. Redundant means repeating yourself multiple times when you have it. Again, we don't need that -2 because the -20 is going to go over it. And we just simplify, or the 20 less than 20. So it's x is less than 20. All right, here we go. On the interval, we do -infinity to 20 in parentheses. Let's keep trying and see how much we have. Probably going to get through. Let's get through a few more here, my friends. Super friends. Okay, so here we go. We have or. Separate these two in two parts. Times 2, times 2, -3, x greater than -9, divide by -3, and we get x is less than 3. Flippage, don't forget to flip it. Here we go. Distribute now over to the other side. 2x minus 4 less than or equal to 6. Add 4. Add 4. 2x less than or equal to 10. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. X is less than 5. So we have a situation where we have x is less than 3. From that side, we have the word or, x is less than 5. Let's see what the picture, it's less than or equal to 12. So let's go ahead and graph these and see what happens in the picture. So x is less than 3 would be that one. X is less than or equal to 5. That one, again, we have a situation where it overlaps, and it's the word or. So we need to be careful. In this, we're going to recreate this. All we need is the x and it's less than or equal to 5 as our solution. Talk about our interval. It's -infinity to 5 with a bracket. Another setup. Again, we have 3 parts to this. We got to subtract 9 from all 3 parts. -12 minus 9 is -21. Less than or equal to 7x. Less than, what is that today? 16 minus 9. What is that today? That is 7 today, right? 7? Yeah, that's 7 today. So 16 negative minus 9 is 7. And we're going to turn around, divide by 7, divide by 7, divide by 7. We divide all 3 parts. Remember, my friends, don't forget that there's 3 sections here that we do it to all of the parts. Do it to all of them. All the parts. All of the parts. Okay, here we go. -3 there. Open circle. All the way to 1. Open circle. Now this is between. Between doesn't have 2 ends. So that's between. So we end up going here. When it's between, it's an and problem automatically. Okay, my friends? And when interval notation, -3, 1. That's parentheses. Drop my stylus. Parentheses. All right, here we go. Another and prop. We're going to skip that one. Here we go. Miss Gallagher plans a diet for her dog, Duke. Duke consumes 510 and between 510 and 540 calories per day. If Duke serves each 1.5 servings of dog food each day, how many treats can he have? Wow, I read that funny. So this is calories per serving and treats calories per serving. So if okay, so we need it to be between 510, okay, and 540 calories per day, right? So we write inequality that's going to be between those. And she's got 1.5 servings of dog food each day. So that would be this. This is the dog food. So we're going to do 320 times 1.5, okay, each day. And how many treats? So the question, if we go to the question, we want to get our variable from the question. The question says how many treats. So that's going to give us, we're going to say x is the number of treats, dog treats. Okay, so how many dog treats? Well, it's 15 calories times the amount of dog treats. Remember, we wrote an inequality here that represents the calories, total calories, right? The center one represents the total calories based off of the description above. And on the left and right, that's like the calories that it needs to be in between. So now in order to do this, we would turn around and we could solve it to actually answer the question. We would solve it for X and to see how many treats this dog can eat. So we would turn around and do 320 times 1.5, which is going to be 480 plus 15 times X. And now let's turn around and solve this. So we subtract 480 from both sides, all three sides. Don't forget that we're doing it to all three sides. 510 minus 480. Going to be 60 up in that house, less than or equal to 15x, less than or equal to 540 minus 480, my friends. 540. Wait, I did a little bit of math. Let's just see a little correction here. 510 minus 480. Yesterday it was 60, but today it's actually 30. It should be 30. So then we divide by 15, divide by 15, divide by 15, all the parts. We wind up getting 2 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 4. So Duke can have between 2 and 4 treats per day. Per day. Yeah, Duke. Go Duke. I feel like if I had a dog, I would want to name him like Bob because my name's Rob, and then you call him Bob, and that would be funny. Be like, "What's up, Bob?" Isn't that funny? Anyways, take care. Peace.